it's Chevy with Daily City Rec, and today I'll be showing you how to make DIY photo ornaments. Some supplies you will be needing for this ornament project are a clear ornament, clear tape, some glitter, a picture, a pen or pencil, and something thin enough to go inside the ornament so you can put the photo inside. Okay, let's begin by cutting out the pictures. So you would want to trace around the ornament over the photo so you get a perfect circle. But lucky for me, this glitter thing has the same diameter as this ornament, so I'm just gonna use this. Now we are gonna cut it. Alright, a quick tip. When you cut your photo, don't cut it completely in a circle. Have a little flap at the top so you can stick it to the side of this. Now we got the photo for the ornament ready. For our younger viewers, you might want to get an adult for this. Pull out the top of the ornament. Now with the photo, wrap it around a pencil. Don't fold it too much, otherwise it's going to be wrinkly when you put it in there. Okay, now that we got the photo in here, we're going to use a little bit of tape to keep it together. Remember how I said to keep a little tab on the top of the photo? It's to keep it in place. I'm not happy with the photo yet because it's a little curly, so I'm just going to keep using the paintbrush till it sticks. You can push it up if you need to. And now for the fun part, we're going to add some glitter to the ornament. And with this paper from earlier, we're going to cut a little piece of paper so we have a little funnel for the glitter to go through. I'm going to roll this up into a cone shape. And I'm going to insert it into the ornament. And I will pour the glitter down. So using the funnel again, we're going to use this super sparkly gold glitter. Now with an adult, go ahead and insert the little hook back into the ornament. Shake it a little bit so the glitter gets around. And now your ornaments are ready to be displayed.